Hello everybody and welcome to ECE 150 and 150 Lab Early Experience. This video will just take you through a quick overview of how to find things on D2L if in case this is your first time on an online course or utilizing D2L through South Dakota State. So when you log into your D2L account, you will see our course. It'll be labeled ECE 150 section 01 and you will click on that. And then it'll bring you to our home page and you have all the course information here as well as the news. And each week I will post in the news any important information, weekly reminders, just different things like that. So definitely check each week what's going on in the news as well. I believe it'll notify you as well when I have posted something, so that will be helpful, but keep an eye on that. And so some different things on this side, getting started, start your course here will take you to this as well. And so the first place I would advise you to go would be the content area, so that's this tab, and if you open that up, it brings you to a variety of different things. The first place to start would definitely be the course information. And so this just entails the syllabus, the course schedule, and a little bit about me as an instructor. So this would be some place to start. Look at the syllabus, your requirements, your course descriptions, all those different things are in there, as well as assessments, things like that. The schedule is just a schedule of what's due and when it's due and what readings are happening, and then this is just a little bit about me. I'll open up to week 1 here. Each week I will probably post different things if I need to add, but the important thing for week 1 or each week is definitely to read the tasks for this week. And so you can see this week, read week 1 overview, watch week 1 lecture, read chapter 1 of Morrison, which is the textbook, participate in the introduction discussion and week 1 discussion, and complete the story, the assignment, the story of your name. And so within this, there's also, this is your week 1 overview, and I'll just open it here for you. And that brings you to all of what is due this week. And I will write one of these each week so that you know. And I will most likely include the discussion rubric on that. All of your rubrics will be located and included on all of your assignments as well, just so you have an idea of what you're being evaluated on. There's also a link to the discussion, so you can go ahead and click on that, and once it's open you may post in there as well. And then there's also a link to the week 1 discussion, so both of those are will bring you straight to the discussion area. There's also the assignment for the week and the Dropbox, and they will be located on each page as well. For the rest of the weeks, each week I will post, each week will have this type of a format where you'll have the overview, the lecture will be added, the discussions, and the assignments as well, and any other important information or readings that are required for that week. So the next important place I want to bring you is to the Dropbox, and the Dropbox is where you will submit all of your assignments. And so you have 5 assignments for this course, and each one is here for you to put into your Dropbox, which is great. If you go to the grades tab in assessment, you can see all of your grades. Some will be feedback and some will be numeric, and so keep an eye out for that as well as you're going through. If you go over to communication, the next important tab that you will need is discussions. And so this is where you'll find all of your discussions. I will unlock them on Tuesday and they will be closed by Sunday, except for the final discussion, which will be will close on the Friday, which is the last day. The other area to address would be the course mail, and you can contact me through course mail or through D2L, or through my email, which is located, and you can find that information in the syllabus as well. And so that's just a little overview of the important things that you're going to need to know in D2L. If this is your first time using D2L or this type of online classroom, definitely let me know, and let me know if you have any questions, and I would be glad to help. Thank you, and enjoy the course.